A family in Melbourne has found an inventive way of introducing Filipino cuisine to discriminating Australian diners. Carmela Trinidad Sison reports.
Kowloon House may sound like a Chinese restaurant, but it also has Filipino food in its menu. Restaurant manager Dennis Tito says it's a marketing strategy.
Ang talagang concept dyan pag Kowloon House, isipan Chinese, di ba? Pero dito, at pag ginawa kong mga pangalan ng Pilipino, yung mga Australiano, parang sineseparate mo na Parang sabihin nila, ano kaya itong pan? Kunyari, pag ang pangalan tindahan mo, lutong bahay. Pag nalampasan ng mga Australian, hindi nila alam yan. Pero pag nilagay mong Kowloon House na Chinese food and Filipino food, pupuntahan nila. Kasi 45% of my customers Australiano Kaya hindi mo rin sila ma-ignore. Asian groceries, kainan, kailangan meron makikita ka rin sa kanila.
And once customers have set foot inside, they can't resist trying out what is to them a new cuisine.
Pagpasok nila, nakikita na yung Filipino food. Alam nila may noodles doon. Pero intrigue, ano ito? Bopis, paksiw, dinuguan. Susubukan nila habang naghihintay sa noodles, habang niluluto. Sasabihin nila, can I try this? Tikman nila, bibili ng bopis.
But the owners admit it's the Filipino market that's the toughest to crack. So they offer a little something for everyone. Kowloon House has 3 Pinoy chefs specializing in Kapampangan, Ilocano, Bicolano, Chinese, Nepalese-based cooking.
The success of the Tito family in running Kowloon House here in the western suburb of Melbourne is not only going to be beneficial for them, but also for the whole of the Filipino community. It will enable them to slowly introduce the Filipino food to the mainstream Australian market. This is Carmela Trinidad Sison for ABS-CBN News, Melbourne, Australia.
Next in the program, travel